To my dear late husband and all his dear late family. To Antonelli's Roller Rink and Recreation Center, I have only one thing to say. Bafango! When I sit and remember the past, though I'd rather not sit and remember the past, if I happen to sit and remember the past, I hear so many voices.
Hey, Anna!
Masculine voices.
Hey, Anna, come up! Hey, Anna, come down!
Hey, Anna, do this. Hey, Anna, do that. Hey, Anna, hey, Anna, hey, Anna, hey, Anna, hey, Anna, hey, Anna, hey, oh! I'm only one person. Everybody's only one person. I was running a rink, running a household, and being a wife. Working her ass off should be the title of the story of my life. Chief cook and bottle washer, that's what I always was, doing what some cook and bottle washer does. Go stand and take the tickets, go make the corn go pop, bread to bake, beds to make, and rugs to shake, and floors to mop. Then when we break at 7, up clomps my thoughtful pet, saying, "Hey, ain't my dinner ready yet?" Oh, what heaven life can be when you're chief cook and bottle washer like me. Chief cook and bottle washer, that's what I always did. Then I had the great good luck to have a kid. So now it's warm the bottle, see what she's crying for. Bathe and wipe and rock and diape and bake and take and mop and pop, exactly like I did before. Then daddy's home at 7, peeks in the bassinet, saying, "Hey, why ain't my dinner ready yet?" Oh, what heaven now, we're 3, and you're chief cook and bottle washer, big chief cook and bottle washer, chief cook, bottle washer, and baby maker like me. But now, hallelujah, I'm through. Daddy's gone and baby makes 2. My time, hell, it's way overdue. My bills are paid, my future's made. I'm selling off this rat hole, I'm getting off my knees, in my time and in my prime and at my ease. Go, let 'em burn the bunting, let all the mopping stop. There'll be no more bread to bake, or rugs to shake, or corn to pop. Hey, porter, grab my luggage, I'm getting on some jet. And hear me say, "Hey, why ain't my dinner ready yet?" Oh, what heaven life will be when I got cooks and bottle washers, a load of cooks and bottle